Love sometimes wants to do us a great favor, hold us upside down and shake all the nonsense out. Your heart is the size of an ocean. Go find yourself in its hidden depths. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Everything that is made beautiful and fair and lovely is made for the eye of one who sees. Goodbyes are only for those who love with the eyes, because for those who love with heart and soul, there is no such thing as separation. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in another form. What you seek is seeking you. And so it is that both devil and the angelic spirits present us with objects of desire to awaken our power of choice. You are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. What hurts you blesses you. Darkness is your candle. Achieve some perfection yourself so that you may not fall into sorrow by seeing the perfection in others. The universe is not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you already are. When the world pushes you to your knees, you are in the perfect position to pray. Wherever you are and whatever you do, be in love. Words are a pretext. It is the inner bond that draws one person to another, not words. Don't be satisfied with stories how things have gone with others. Unfold your own myth. If you are irritated by every rub, how will your mirror be polished? Be a lamp or a lifeboat or a ladder. Help someone's soul heal. Walk out of your house like a shepherd. Beauty surrounds us, but usually we need to be walking in a garden to know it. Whoever finds love beneath hurt and grief disappears into emptiness with 1,000 new disguises. Life is a balance between holding on and letting go. It's your road and yours alone. Others may walk it with you, but no one can walk it for you. The prophets accept all agony and trust it, for the water has never feared the fire. Be full of sorrow that you may become a hill of joy. Weep that you may break into laughter. Grace comes to forgive and then forgive again. The wealth within you, your essence, is your kingdom. Let us carve gems out of our stony hearts and let them light our path to love. When I am silent, I fall into the place where everything is music. Everyone has been made for some particular work, and the desire for that work has been put in every heart. Gratitude is divine for the soul. Go on, get drunk. Lovers have heartaches that can't be cured by drugs or sleep or games, but only by seeing their beloved. Conventional opinion is the ruin of our souls. Anything which is more than our necessity is poison. It may be power, wealth, hunger, ego, greed, laziness, love, ambition, hate, or anything. Poetry can be dangerous, especially beautiful poetry, because it gives the illusion of having had the experience without actually going through it. The world is a mountain in which your words are echoed back to you. Your depression is connected to your insolence and refusal to praise. Be certain that in the religion of love there are no believers and unbelievers. Love embraces all. Be empty of worrying. Think of who created thought. It is certain that an atom of goodness on the path of faith is never lost. The wound is the place where the light enters you. If you are looking for a friend who is faultless, you will be friendless. When you lose all sense of self, the bonds of 1,000 chains will vanish. Everything about yesterday has gone with yesterday. Today it is needed to say new things. If you want to win hearts, sow the seeds of love. If you want heaven, stop scattering thorns on the road. Not only the thirsty seek the water as well seeks the thirsty. Pain is a treasure, for it contains mercies. Always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you'd ever imagined. That which is false troubles the heart, but truth brings joyous tranquility. The beauty you see in me is a reflection of you. Love is an open secret, the most obvious thing in the world and the most hidden, with no eye to how it keeps its mystery. Love rests on no foundation. It is an endless ocean with no beginning or end. I looked in temples, churches, and mosques, but I found the divine within my heart. I am filled with you, skin, blood, bone, brain, and soul. There's no room for lack of trust or trust. Nothing in this existence but that existence. Come out of the circle of time and into the circle of love. Why ever talk of miracles when you are destined to become infinite love? Our greatest strength lies in the gentleness and tenderness of our heart. Listen with ears of tolerance, see through the eyes of compassion, speak with the language of love. Travel brings power and love back into your life. Half-heartedness doesn't reach into majesty. Patience is the key to joy. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Sell your cleverness and buy bewilderment. Cleverness is mere opinion. Bewilderment brings intuitive knowledge. The only lasting beauty is the beauty of the heart. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Reason is powerless in the expression of love. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder.